We got some nice looking flames up here. The man Cody. And here's Laney.
Would be pretty if it wasn't for the mural beside you.
That is excellent.
What? The what?
Your name would be cute if it wasn't for the mural beside it.
Johnny made, yeah, Johnny made
What'd I mess up?
You made most of this.
Yeah. It floats, is all that matters, guys. It floats.
It did float.
Yeah, it did float, yeah. Well done, Kaylee. Way to represent.
Who's Ray?
Yeah, Ray. I'm gonna guess Raven.
Please put your name. R-A-E.
Yeah, I spell Raven.
And Sarah getting decorative over here.
Yeah.
Even though one of them can't spell the name right.
And a boy is R-A-Y.
One of you can't spell your name right.
Which one's that?
What? I think 2:45. I had to look at the schedule, but I'm certain.
It's 2:30. It's transition is 2:30. 2:45 is.
Who's Kate?
10:30.
Oh, is that Kate?
Does it matter what we wear to zip lining?
Oh, you
Dirty shorts.
Durable shorts.
Hey.
Cold shoes.
See it, Josh? See it, Josh Corley?
Josh, I'm putting
That's cute.
It is.
my handprint on here.
Very nice.
Yeah, mine's starting to look terrible. Oh, I'm going to put my handprint on there.
Oh, so hot.
Gwen and Shandy on the front, if you can see it. There we go. Katie.
Kate.
Kate. Kate.
Hey, let's put our handprints on it.
Kate.
I have to paint my hand. Where to find my name? All dry. I can put my handprint. You just got mine on.
If you don't mind getting paint on your hand, knock yourself out.
Can I do it in blue?
Hey, I gotta get some video of the sign here real quick.
Oh, no, look, Ray.
And this was our sign when we got here.
Yep. And
Show us.
Win couldn't do this.
Jordan, turns out, can't jump it, just so we know.
I could jump this.
John could. John could have made it.
See, I
Jordan
this.
didn't.
Look.
I know, I just threw it like that.
Johnny. People are over there in the
I know.
sign is fixed.
I just saw them, that's why I started to walk away. They didn't realize there was actually employees nearby. Wonderful work, ladies, and Cody Brown.
That's what I'm gonna do.
She doing the handprint? Gotta see this. What are you doing that?
Put under her name. What's the arrow for?
Say KB.
I need that color and I shouldn't have done my right hand. Because I can't paint with my left hand. This is not working. Just open, stupid thing.
I thought that was a bug on me. I was sweat running down.
Did you do a handprint too? Have you already done it?
Yep, I did my handprint.
Go
look at it.
I need the blue.
Nice and green.
That is. You got blue in there too.
Mine's black. My hand's gonna be like gothic.
Ravens.
Very nice. Who's blue here?
Jesse, or Shandy's. It was by Jesse's name.
And I put my name.
Let me see your hand, Shandy.
Ready, Shandy?
Yeah, I'm not doing that.
Oh, that's cool. I wish we could make a handprint like this.
Do over that one.
Yeah, yeah, exactly.
Okay, wrong way, but I mean. As long as I say over yours, but I mean, close enough.
You going for a black one here?
Yep.
You booty.
Starting to get really runny.
La la la.
Go ahead and plant it, Cheyenne.
That's my beautiful hand.
I just missed
If you mess up my fingertips.
Nobody write
see your hand, Kaylee.
anything on the back.
I'm doing a handprint because I really want to. Hey, I just want to buy your name.
Oh my gosh, it looks like a horse.
Yeah, they did a good
Nothing.
job.
I'm not even joking. Goes on the back.
EHBC Youth Boat. Like
It
bear.
says beast.
Oh, it look like bear.
He told me to put beast on it. So
Be rich or?
No, Cody.
See Brown.
It says B-E-A-S.
It is a beast, that's for sure.
Wish you didn't leave out a name.
Cody, can I write your name on the seat?
On the seat,
Aren't you
Yeah.
rowing it?
I reckon.
Okay.
Like, are you sitting in the seat?
Why?
It'll dry.